We have forgotten one important ingredient for the Thanksgiving meal that I'm making today, and I'm on the way to the store to go get that, and it's too important not to have. But I have a busy day scheduled ahead of me. I'm going to be cooking and making the Thanksgiving today all on solar. And, this has turned into kind of a quest every Thanksgiving for me. It started probably about 3 years ago with the first Thanksgiving on the road. I started making Thanksgiving dinner and realized that the generator had not come on all day. And it wasn't until the last little bit, the mashed potatoes and gravy, that I realized we almost cooked Thanksgiving with solar. Almost. And ever since then, now I am on Thanksgiving, I am trying to make solar turkey. So let's see how this works out. But first I got to get to the store. I totally forgot something. Miss Karen reminded me last night that we had not gotten it. So I am making a quick trip to the store. We'll see you in a minute. I did cook a Thanksgiving dinner in the coach, and I didn't realize till we got to the end of the day that the generator had not come on, and I had almost cooked Thanksgiving dinner all on solar, all in the 580 watts of solar that's up on the roof. And that set me off on a quest for every Thanksgiving since, to try to get it done, get it cooked all on solar. So let me set this up for you a little bit. We have 580 watts of solar up on top of the roof. We have an inverter, a whole house inverter. It's I think it's 2200 watts, and we have cooktops that we're going to be using today, and we have a Davy Crockett pellet grill that we're going to be smoking the turkey on. So technically I'm going to be using solar and pellets, but we do have a convection microwave. It has been kind of a fun quest to see if we could cook an entire Thanksgiving dinner on solar, and it has become almost a tradition. We've got green bean casserole that's got to be made, and I made some ice cream last night. I'll put that video up above, and there's the link right there. We're not going to use any propane. We have to see if we can make this happen. So it's going to be interesting, and but we're not going to be using any generator today. So generator is out. Oh, and then the Keurig. I've got my coffee. So yeah, we've got a lot. Oh, and we've got a residential fridge on top of it all. That it may be the deal breaker right there. I don't know, but we're gonna see. Hang on, guys. I gotta get back home.
So we also have 6 golf cart batteries. Those were replaced about a year ago. I don't want to hurt those batteries at all, so I'm going to be really careful with it. We did charge up the batteries last night, and just to make sure that we went into the day with a full set of batteries. So I don't want to hurt those batteries. So we will turn it off and turn on the generator if there's any risk to the battery. So we're going to be keeping an eye on those, and we'll show you those as we go through the day. So let's go inside, let's get cooking.
Back here.
Oh yeah, we're doing that.
Thanksgiving smell.
Okay, so it is 11 o'clock in the morning, not in the evening. And just to double check on the power, we're at 12.9. I don't know if you can read that or not. And we got 14.2 amps coming in. We're doing good. We've done a lot of cooking, but we got a lot more to do, so I'll keep going. A 13-pound bird will fit. A 15-pound bird will not fit. But we're gonna make it fit. We're taking stuff out. We just took the pizza stone out and we're going for it.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
Still questionable.
Yeah.
Get in there, birdie.
Get in there, birdie. Oh my gosh. Okay, so maybe if we turned it around the other way.
And hook that leg under. Get in there.
Oh my gosh. It's in.
Barely.
Barely.
Wow.
Wow. All right. We got potatoes going on. It's about 2:30, and let's just take a look real quick and see what the solar's doing here. So far, so good. And we are looking at 12.8 volts. That's the solar. That's with the solar coming in. So I'm good with that. I'll take it, and we'll just see how much farther we can get. So far, so good. This may be pushing it. This homemade rolls may be pushing it. But I got green bean casserole going on. So worst come to worst, I'll bake it in the Davy Crockett. So we'll see. Stay tuned. If you were wondering, the answer is yes. But we're turning the Keurig off. So it's been off for most of the day, but whenever I want a cup of coffee, turn it back on, just get my coffee, and call it good. So I'm still pushing it though.
Yeah.
No. To be continued. Pull that out. Pull that out. Looking good. All right, the turkey looks great, but we still have rolls and a green bean casserole to do, and then we're done. We've got it. So this is gonna sit for a while. All right, let me go out and turn
Yummy.
Okay, so here's the finished results, guys. We've got yams. We've got potatoes. Of course, the turkey. There's stuffing in there. We've got cranberry sauce. We've got the gravy. What we didn't get, and what actually was a fail, was my bread. It's still, I can eat it.
It's edible. Yeah, it's good. It's just not as fluffy.
But yeah, it's not, unfortunately they had to wait too long. I was waiting for the turkey to come out of the grill.
The big fat turkey.
Yeah, to do the bread and to do the green bean casserole. But we almost made it. So it gives us something. gives us something to shoot for next year.
We'll just start earlier,
Right.
depending on the size of the bird.
And last night we do have pie. They're ready made. There's nothing to cook on the pie. Last night we made ice cream. And this is going on the pie today. Ooh, why don't you grab a spoon and be our taste tester?
Oh, it's a terrible job.
It is a terrible job, right?
Oh, it's frozen.
Yeah, is it hard? Yeah.
It's frozen. Wet. That's what we love about that. Yeah.
Okay. Does that work?
Wow.
All right.
Creamy.
I'll put the link to that video up above.
Oh my God.
We are ready to eat. I tell you what, we've been smelling this all day long, and we are ready to eat. So I'm going to set you guys down, and we're going to start filling our plates because, yep.
It's time.
I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. We're about to have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll see you guys next time. Live life full time.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
I've been walking down these highway lanes looking for something new to change, but nothing ever works out as planned. I've got a pistol in my pocket and I know that I should stop it, but I fight for everything that I am. I know I'm racing time, and I wonder if I'll make it.
GoPro, stop recording.